How to lose belly fat while building muscle, core exercises and diet. 1. The challenge of losing belly fat and gaining muscle simultaneously. Losing belly fat while building muscle might seem like an impossible goal, but it's very achievable with the right approach. Many people focus on either fat loss or muscle gain, but with the right combination of strength training, core exercises, and nutrition, you can achieve both. The key is balancing your calorie intake, working out with intensity, and targeting your core effectively while continuing to build lean muscle throughout your body. 2. Importance of core exercises in belly fat loss. When trying to lose belly fat, core exercises are essential, but should not be confused with the idea that crunches alone will melt fat away. Core exercises like planks, leg raises, and Russian twists are important because they build the muscles that define your stomach. While they don't directly burn fat, they help develop abdominal strength and can contribute to a more toned midsection as your body fat percentage decreases. 3. Effective full-body workouts for fat loss and muscle building. To lose belly fat while building muscle, focus on full-body workouts that target multiple muscle groups and increase calorie burn. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage your core as well as larger muscle groups, making them highly effective for fat loss. These exercises stimulate metabolism and promote fat burning while simultaneously encouraging muscle growth. By incorporating full-body movements in your routine, you'll burn more calories during and after workouts, contributing to fat loss. 4th, caloric deficit versus protein. Surplus for fat loss and muscle gain. To lose belly fat, you need to be in a caloric deficit, meaning you're burning more calories than you're consuming. However, this doesn't mean you should drastically reduce your calories, as that can hinder muscle growth. Instead, focus on a modest deficit while ensuring you're consuming enough protein. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to preserve muscle mass while losing fat. This way, your body burns fat for energy while still maintaining muscle tissue, leading to a leaner physique. The role of healthy fats and carbs in your diet. In addition to protein, healthy fats and carbohydrates play a vital role in achieving your fitness goals. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, and nuts support hormone production and joint health, both of which are crucial for muscle growth. Complex carbohydrates from foods like sweet potatoes, oats, and brown rice provide the necessary energy for intense workouts, allowing you to lift heavier and train harder. By balancing fats, carbs, and proteins, you can fuel your body for both fat loss and muscle building. 6. Incorporating cardio for belly fat loss. Without losing muscle, while strength training is the key to building muscle, cardio is essential for burning fat. However, excessive cardio can lead to muscle loss, so it's important to strike a balance. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is particularly effective because it burns fat without compromising muscle mass. HIIT sessions are short, intense bursts of cardio, followed by rest periods, keeping your body in a fat-burning mode while preserving muscle. Keep your cardio sessions to 2 to 3 times a week to maintain a balance between fat loss and muscle gain. 7. The importance of consistency and progressive overload. To lose belly fat and build muscle, consistency is essential. Sticking to your workout routine and nutrition plan will yield the best results over time. Additionally, progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight, sets, or reps of your exercises, is crucial for muscle growth. As your body adapts, you must keep challenging it with heavier weights or more reps to continue building muscle. Consistency in both workouts and nutrition ensures that your body has what it needs to achieve both fat loss and muscle gain simultaneously. 8. Rest and recovery. The unsung heroes of muscle growth recovery is just as important as your workout sessions. Your muscles grow during rest, not during exercise, so ensuring adequate recovery time is critical. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night to allow your muscles to repair and grow. Active recovery, such as light walking or yoga, can help reduce muscle soreness and increase blood circulation. Proper rest also prevents overtraining, which can lead to injury and stalled progress. Make sure to schedule rest days to give your body the time it needs to recover and rebuild stronger. Additionally, deep sleep is where growth hormone is naturally released, a key player in muscle repair and fat metabolism. To improve sleep quality, try winding down with a relaxing routine before bed, reduce screen time, and avoid heavy meals or stimulants late in the evening. Incorporate recovery tools like foam rollers, massage guns, or even a warm Epsom salt bath to promote relaxation and alleviate muscle tension. These methods can help improve flexibility, reduce soreness, and prevent injury from tight or overworked muscles. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and breathwork, also support recovery by lowering cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can interfere with fat loss and muscle gain. The body performs best when it's not under chronic stress, so creating a calm mental state plays a key role in your physical transformation. Lastly, listen to your body. If you're feeling overly fatigued, lacking motivation, or experiencing prolonged soreness, it might be time to scale back and let your body recover. Recovery is not laziness. It's strategic rest that allows you to come back stronger. 9. Tracking your progress and making adjustments. Monitoring your progress is key to staying on track. You may not see immediate changes in your belly fat or muscle mass, so be patient and consistent. Track your strength levels, body measurements, body fat percentage, and take progress photos every few weeks. If you notice that your fat loss has plateaued, you may need to adjust your calories or workout routine. Small changes, such as tweaking your diet or increasing your training intensity, can break plateaus and keep your body progressing toward your goals. Don't just rely on one metric. Progress is multifaceted. Gaining strength in your lifts, noticing improved endurance, or seeing changes in how your clothes fit are all signs that you're on the right path. Use apps, journals, or spreadsheets to record your workouts and meals. This not only keeps you accountable, but also reveals patterns over time. Evaluate your progress every 2 to 4 weeks. If results have stalled, review your diet. Are you still in a calorie deficit for fat loss or hitting your protein targets for muscle gain? Are you progressively overloading in your workouts? Small adjustments, like reducing 150 to 200 calories or adding an extra workout per week, can reignite progress. It's also essential to periodically reassess your goals. Your priorities may shift as you develop more muscle or reach a lower body fat percentage. Stay flexible and adapt your plan to match where you are in your journey. The key is to course correct early rather than continuing on an ineffective path. 10. Long-term strategy for success in losing belly fat and building muscle. Achieving the dual goal of losing belly fat and building muscle is a long-term commitment. Don't expect overnight results. Body recomposition takes time, discipline, and patience. Create a sustainable workout and nutrition plan that you can stick with long-term. Set small, realistic goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember that fitness is a journey, and consistency, not perfection, will get you the results you desire. If you found these tips on losing belly fat while building muscle helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fitness guides and workout plans, and share it with someone who's looking to make a positive change. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let's crush our fitness goals together.